To get started, you want to arrange your threads in colour order. I've done red, orange, white, yellow, white, green, purple and blue. For the first part of your pattern, you want to do the first 3 rows with all forward knots. For row 2 and all subsequent even numbered rows, you want to ignore the first and last threads and again do forward knots for the whole row. For row 3, again you want to do forward knots for the whole row. To start the second part of your pattern, you want to work all forward-backward knots for row 4. For your next 3 rows, you want to do all backward knots. To begin the third part of your pattern, for row 8, you want to do all backward-forward knots. For rows 9 to 13, you want to do all forward knots. Next, you want to repeat the second part of your pattern and do forward-backward knots for row 14. Then you want to do backward knots for your next 3 rows. Once you've done those, you want to repeat what you did for row 8 and do backward forward knots. Next you want to do forward knots for the next 5 rows until the thread in position 2 is in position 7. And once you've done that and you've got your thread into position 7, you want to repeat row 4 and do forward backward knots. And you want to repeat rows 4 to 13 all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've just finished with a braided tie and end at each end, but you could do whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed zigzag friendship bracelet.